In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages in Webflow. Whether you're building a portfolio, an e-commerce site, or just exploring your creative side, knowing how to add additional pages to your Webflow project is essential for any complete website. So, let's dive right into it and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to sign in to your Webflow account. If you're new to Webflow, you can easily create an account on their website. Once logged in, navigate over to your Webflow dashboard. Here, you'll see all your projects laid out in front of you. Identify the project you wish to edit by scrolling through your options or by using the search feature if you have many projects. Once you've selected the project you want to work on, look towards the top of the panel. You'll notice a plus or a Create New Page icon. Click on this icon to begin the process of adding a new page. This step is crucial as it gives you the flexibility to diversify your site's content. After clicking the plus icon, a window will pop up giving you the option to create a new page from scratch, essentially providing you with a blank canvas. If you're looking for a bit of a head start, Webflow offers predefined templates, which can be exceedingly helpful. You can browse through and select one of these templates if that better suits your project's needs. After deciding whether you'd like a blank slate or a pre-designed template, you'll be presented with several configuration options. One of the first things you'll want to do is give your new page a descriptive name. Naming your pages accurately is not only beneficial for organization, but also for navigation purposes when your site goes live. If you've chosen a template, you might have the option to select or switch templates at this point too. Another powerful tool at your disposal here is the SEO settings. You can set the page's title, meta description, and other SEO-related configurations. These parameters are vital for search engine visibility and can help drive traffic to your site. Finally, you can explore further customization options such as page loading settings and inserting custom code, giving you a tremendous amount of control over your new page's behavior. Once you've tailored the settings to your liking, the final step in this journey is to click the Create button. This action will officially add the page to your project, allowing you to start building on it immediately. And there you have it. The process of adding a new page in Webflow is completed. Congratulations on expanding your web design repertoire. Now go ahead and customize your new page to your heart's content.